Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Nintendo DS games on your PC. To begin this exciting journey, you will need a special software called an emulator, which mimics the original console's hardware. The most reliable and widely used option for Nintendo DS emulation is Desmumi. It provides excellent compatibility and a smooth gaming experience, bringing your favorite handheld titles to a larger screen, allowing you to revisit cherished memories. To get started, navigate to the official Desmumi website, easily found with a quick search online. Once there, carefully locate the download section for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Before downloading, take a moment to review the listed system requirements to ensure your computer can run the emulator smoothly. Always prioritize downloading from the official source to guarantee authenticity and avoid any potential malware. Next, you will need the game files themselves, commonly known as ROMs. These are digital versions of the physical game cartridges. It is important to remember that downloading ROMs for games you do not own may have legal implications. For ethical reasons, only acquire ROMs of games you have already purchased. When searching for these files, prioritize well-known and secure websites to minimize risks to your computer's security and ensure compatibility. With Desmumi installed and your ROM file ready, it is time to load up a game. Open the emulator, then go to File and select Open ROM to load your chosen game. You can then customize your controls by mapping keyboard keys or a gamepad to the virtual buttons. Experiment with the screen layout options, perhaps opting for one large screen or two separate displays to find what works best for you. Adjusting the graphics and sound settings will further enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.